Stress has become an inherent part of modern life, prompting many individuals to seek natural solutions for relief. At this juncture, lavender emerges not only as a provider of a pleasant aroma, but as an impressive aid in managing stress. Lavender, a plant that has been utilized in aromatherapy for centuries, possesses compelling evidence of its ability to calm the nervous system. The compound linalool found in lavender influences stress coping mechanisms in the brain, creating a sense of relaxation. Lavender oil stands out as a convenient way to harness the effects of lavender. Diffusing a few drops of lavender oil can create a soothing atmosphere at home or in your workspace. Additionally, mixing it with a carrier oil for a massage can be effective in coping with stress. Lavender tea goes beyond being a relaxing beverage. It can help balance the nervous system with its lavender extracts. Enjoying a cup of lavender tea after a hectic day can bring relief to both the body and mind. It's essential to remember that everyone's body chemistry is unique. Therefore, consulting a professional before incorporating lavender or other herbal remedies is crucial. Exploring the calming world of this soothing plant can contribute positively to your health in the journey of coping with stress. Dear viewers, today you explored the impressive power of lavender in dealing with stress. I hope this information has been inspiring and beneficial to you. Remember that managing stress can enhance our quality of life. The calming properties of lavender can assist us in making small changes in our daily lives. Perhaps you might want to try relaxing with a bit of lavender oil. Feel free to share your experiences with stress management in the comments. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.